Have you ever wondered why Koreans pronounce words differently depending on what comes next? That's because of something called Batchim, the final consonant in a Korean syllable. In this video, we'll break down how Korean Batchim works, why it matters, and how to pronounce it naturally in real Korean. If you've ever wondered how Korean final consonants actually sound, this lesson will make everything clear. So, what is Batchim in Korean? In Korean, each syllable block can end with a final consonant. That's what we call Batchim. For example, 밥 ends with 비읍, 산 ends with 니은, 꽃 ends with 치읓. The final consonant gives Korean its rhythm, short, crisp, and neat. Let's test your ear. Which one has a Batchim? 바다 or 밥? Right, 밥 does, because it ends with 비읍. Batchim can completely change how a word sounds. For example, 말 means word, but 마 means nothing. Drop the Batchim and the meaning disappears. Or take 밤, which means night. Without the Batchim 미음, 바 means bar. See how meaning changes completely? Getting Batchim right helps Koreans understand you better. It makes your pronunciation sound confident and natural. Let's look at how each Batchim sound is pronounced when it's at the end of a syllable. There are only 7 possible sounds. 기역, 키읔 sounds like a soft K. Example, 책, book, 부엌, kitchen. Try saying it. The sound stops at the back of your throat. 니은 sounds like N. Example, 산, mountain, smooth and light, just like in English. 디귿, 티읕, 시옷, 지읒, 치읓 becomes a soft T. Example, 낮, daytime, 옷, clothes. Don't release the sound, just stop it with your tongue. 리을 sounds like L. Example, 달, moon. Your tongue touches the top of your mouth briefly. 미음 is M. Example, 밤, night. Keep your lips closed to end the sound. 비읍, 피읍 becomes a light P. Example, 밥, rice, 앞, front. Close your lips but don't release the air like in pop. 이응 is silent when it starts a syllable, but at the end it sounds like NG. Example, 방, room. Try this. Say 밥, 밤, 방 out loud. Notice how the ending sound changes your mouth shape each time? That's Batchim at work. It's what makes Korean pronunciation flow naturally. Now, here's where things get interesting. When a word ending with Batchim is followed by a word starting with a vowel, the final consonant moves over to the next syllable. This is called 연음, linking sound. Examples, 바다요. The 디귿 moves to the next syllable. 꽃이, flower plus subject marker. The 치읓 moves to E. 사람은, person plus topping marker. The 미음 connects smoothly into the next vowel. And here's an important one. 히읗 받침 disappears when it misses a vowel. Let's try one more. 좋아요. Even though it's spelled with 히읗 받침, you say 좋아요, not 좋아요, with a strong H. It's smoother and more natural when you let the final sound flow into the next vowel. If the next word starts with a consonant, the 받침 sound stops in your mouth and doesn't carry over. For example, 꽃밭, flower field. Sure stop between the 치읓 and 비읍. Try slowly. 꽃밭. Notice the small pause. That's what keeps it clear and natural. Now try saying 꽃이 and 꽃밭. Which one links smoothly? Right, 꽃이 links. because it starts with a vowel. If this is making Korean pronunciation clearer for you, keep watching. The next part covers double 받침s and tricky pronunciation changes that even confuse intermediate learners. Some Korean syllables have two consonants. These are called double 받침. But don't worry, usually only one is pronounced. Here are the patterns you will use most as a beginner. Number 1. Some double 받침 use the first consonant. For example, 값, price. Only 비읍 is used. 앉다, to sit. Only 니은 is used. 많다, to be many, a lot. Only 니은 is used. 싫다, to dislike. Only 리을 is used. 여덟, 8. Only 리을 is used. Note, there is an exception. 밟다. This is pronounced with the second consonant. Number 2. Some double 받침 use the second consonant. Examples: 읽다, to read. Only the 기역 sound is used. 젊다, to be young. Only the 미음 sound is used. 읊다, to recite. Only the 피읍 sound is used. Number 3. When a vowel comes next, the second consonant moves over. The second letter slides into the next syllable. Examples: 읽어요, read. 리을 stays. 기역 moves to the next syllable. 젊어요, young. 리을 stays. 미음 moves. 앉아요, sit. 니은 stays. 지읒 moves. Once you start listening for these patterns, double 받침 becomes much easier, and your pronunciation will instantly sound more natural and native-like. Now, let's look at common pronunciation changes that make you sound much more natural in Korean. These aren't spelling changes, just the way Koreans pronounce words smoothly in real speech. When 디귿 or 티읕 받침 meet 이 or 히, they change into 지읒 or 치읒. This is called 구개음화, palatalization, and it makes the sound smoother. Examples: 같이, together. 닫히다, to be closed. 굳이, obstinately. These combinations are simply easier and smoother to pronounce, so Koreans always say them this way. When 니은 받침 meets 리을 or 리을 받침 meets 니은, both become a clear 리을 sound. Examples: 설날, New Year's Day. 연락, contact. This makes the word flow more smoothly. When 미음 meets 리을, the 리을 changes to 니은. Example: 음료, beverage. This is the natural nasal sound change. When 기역 meets 니은, the 기역 turns into an 이응 sound. Examples: 막내, the youngest. Even though it's spelled 막내, Koreans say 막내. Because your mouth naturally shifts into a nasal sound, so 기역 softens to 이응. When 비읍 meets 니은, it becomes an 미음 니은 sound. The lips naturally close, so 비읍 turns into 미음. Example: 입니다, it is. 합니다, do. When 기역 meets 리을, it becomes an 이응 니은 sound. This avoids a rough, blocky sound. Example: 국립, national. When 히읗 meets another consonant, it usually makes the next sound stronger or more aspirated. Examples: 놓고, lay or put plus connector and. 기역 becomes 키읔. 좋다, to be good. 디귿 becomes 티읕. But when 히읗 meets 니은, 히읗 is pronounced with 니은. 좋네요, is good. When 히읗 meets a vowel, it disappears. 좋아요 is good. The hyut is silent before a vowel. These are small changes, but mastering them makes your Korean sound smooth, natural, and much closer to what native speakers actually say. We've covered a lot, but the best way to truly master Batchim is through repetition. We've made a free PDF that lists all the Batchim rules with visuals and example words. You can download it through the link below and practice daily. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. 밥, rice. 낮, daytime. 꼬치, flower plus subject particle. 읽다, to read. 없다, to not have, not exist. Now, let's do full sentences. 밥을 먹어요. I eat rice. 꽃이 예뻐요. The flower is pretty. 책을 읽어요. I'm reading a book. Here's a quick mini challenge. Listen to me say these words and decide which ones link smoothly and which ones stop. 밥이, 밥을, 밥 먹어요. Answer is 밥이, links, 밥을, links, 밥 먹어요, stops. The 비읍 doesn't move. The sound stops before 먹어요. If you got them right, great job. You're starting to hear Batchim the way Koreans do. Let's recap. Batchim is the final consonant in a syllable that can either stop, link, or change sound depending on what follows, and it's a key part of Korean pronunciation. Let's do one more challenge. Pick the correct pronunciation. Number 1 is the Batchim pronounced S or T. Number 2, is it 달 or 닭? Number 3, is it 갓이 or 같이? If you got most of those right, you're really getting the hang of Korean pronunciation. Batchim might seem tough at first, but once you start noticing the patterns, it becomes one of the most satisfying parts of Korean pronunciation. Remember, don't aim for perfection right away. Focus on listening carefully and repeating slowly. Every time you watch dramas or listen to K-pop, try catching how words link or stop. You'll start hearing Batchim everywhere. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. 감사합니다.